Preparation for installing. Please prepare 8 new batteries to install for the safe and the screen. Installing the screen batteries. The battery compartment is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Use a screwdriver to remove it. Remove the battery cover. Then take out the battery compartment. Install the 4 AF batteries. When installing the battery compartment, please pay attention to the insertion direction of the battery compartment groove. Insert the battery compartment into the display screen. Cover the battery compartment. Tighten the battery cover using a screwdriver. The screen displays for 10 seconds. The screen time is in 24-hour format. Before each display, touch the left side of the screen to wake it up. Installing the safe batteries. At the back of the safe, locate the battery compartment. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws and take off battery cover. Install the 4 AF batteries. In addition to installing batteries, the safe can also be powered using an adapter. The safe and the screen are powered independently.